Hi, I'm Dr. Steve, your chiropractor here in Bondi Junction. Today we're going to talk about something that I'm sure a lot of you are conscious about when you, after the shower or in the bathroom or in the changing rooms, you're going to notice a hump on the back of your neck. It's called a buffalo hump or a neck hump or a degauger's hump. And all it really is the body laying down some fatty tissue at the base of the neck to protect it. What happens is you get this fatty tissue build up at the base of your neck, and it's quite pronounced when if you lift your hair up, you'll begin to see it. Now the reason it develops is because of faulty posture. What we tend to do in our lifestyles is our shoulders will go forward, our head will go forward, and we'll start to arch. And that creates a lot of pressure and a lot of stress at the base of the neck. And because the body's smart, it starts to lay this fatty tissue down to protect it. What's happening on the spine, you're looking at the spine from the side, the head starts to go forward and the bones start to lift up, and the body lays the fatty tissue over here. So the good news is that it's something that you can manage. But the bad thing is that you're going to have to start to take care of your posture. So going from this position to start to pull your shoulders back, chest out, chin up, and your belly button tight, that's going to help to remove the stress from your upper back and your shoulders. So I'll show you the exercises. They don't take too long. They're really easy to do, and it'll really help you to manage the hump in the back of your neck. But before I do, all I ask is, I really enjoy making these videos, so if you wouldn't mind commenting, liking and sharing, that'll help me to spread the word, and because the algorithms will feed based on how many people are sharing, more people will get to see it, so I really appreciate that. Okay, so here's the first exercise. It's really easy to do. You can do it any place, any time. All you're doing is just standing nice and straight with a healthy, strong posture, shoulders back, chest out, chin up, and then you put your arms up into the air in a Y shape. So you're making a Y shape with your body. Now your palms are facing forward, and all you're going to do is you're going to bring your arms back, try to extend your chest, and you're going to pull your shoulder blades back down, and you're just going to hold that position for about 30 seconds. The next position is you're going to go into a W, so you're just pulling your arms right back, squeezing your shoulder blades together, keeping your head and posture correct, and hold that for about 30 seconds. The next one is called the T, so you just bring your arms down and bring them right back. What we're trying to do is strengthen the spine and elongate the spine as much as possible. And the last one, all you're going to do is you're going to bring it all the way down and stretch it right back. That's going to help you to elongate the spine, stretch your hands down, elongate your neck, and that's going to be the first exercise. So the second exercise that you can use, which is really effective in reducing this degauger's hump or the buffalo hump, is you stand with a healthy posture, you put your arms behind your back, squeeze down and pull backwards, and then all you're going to do is you're going to bring your head back and breathe out whilst you do it. So just breathe out and push your hands backwards, trying to stretch it out. You're just going to do that for about 30 seconds, and that's a really easy exercise, once again, to help to reduce the neck hump. So the third exercise that you can do to help reduce the buffalo hump, the neck hump, is really easy to do. All you need is a wall. So you're going to be standing on the wall, and you're going to put your arm on the wall. So in this case, I'm using my left arm, and you're going to lift it nice and tall and straight. And all you're going to do is look to your left-hand side towards the arm that's on the wall, and look back, and just hold that for about 15 seconds, making sure you don't feel dizzy and not causing any pain, and just stretch it out and come back, and then you can repeat that a couple times, back to the left hand side and relax, and then you can just repeat it on the other side, right arm up and looking over to the side. What that's going to do, it's going to open up the joints and help to start bringing your neck back into the right position. So that's a really easy exercise to do for the neck hump. And but just be careful when you're doing that you don't get dizzy, and you are not causing any neck pain. If you're getting neck pain, then it's something you might want to just look into. So there's 3 simple exercises that you can use to help manage and reduce the buffalo hump that could be developing. It's quite common, I find very often, that people have a degauger hump or a buffalo hump, also have neck problems and headaches and upper back tightness. So if that's something that you're suffering with, then we'd love to help you. We're open, book in, and we'll see you soon. Once again, I really appreciate you sharing, commenting, and liking these videos. It helps me to get the word out, and we'll see you on one of the next videos. Take care.